Good afternoon from the floor this evening. This is Chris Robinson with your Traders Exclusive comment for today. Today is the second day of May. I think a lot of people were happy to see April behind us. And so we're looking for opportunities. Two things I want to talk about. Generally, I talk about cattle and livestock. There's a lot going on there, but I kind of wanted to change it up a little bit today and talk about two other markets, crude oil and gold. You can learn a lot from watching a lot of different markets. I want to focus first on the crude oil market. Between Christmas and about 2 weeks ago, about the first 20 weeks of the year, we had an impressive rally in crude oil, right? Between Halloween and Christmas, we had a meltdown. So we had a good rally back. We went from about 43, 44 bucks to about $66 and change. So we were very close to that $70 print. So there's a perfect example how people get excited after a big move, right? We rallied 20 bucks, $24, and they've missed the $24, but they're very anxious to catch that last $3 or $4. That's kind of human nature. You see it time and time again. And lo and behold, we kind of hung around 63.50 for a week here or so, and then today, as I'm speaking, inventories came out, and fundamental news caught up with the charts, caught up with the emotions, and anybody that was trying to catch that last $3 move, $4 move to get that $70 print, if you didn't have an exit strategy and you were long, today we dropped down to $61. So a quick correction there. If you do the math, if you happen to get long at 66.50 at the high, you were trying to catch the last 350, and if you didn't have an exit strategy, you ended up possibly losing $5 on the trade. So you have to have an exit strategy when you're getting in or out of any trade. I don't care if you're a bull or a bear, you have to know where you're going to get out. It's a perfect example. Secondly, take a look at gold, right? Everybody was very excited last August. We bottomed out in gold between August and about the first of the year. We had a really nice rally, $162 rally. We got to $13.50. A lot of people were, again, get excited about those round numbers, start talking about $1,400 oil, gold. And lo and behold, what have we done since then in the last 2.5 months? We've corrected lower, and today as I speak, we've actually given back just about half of that $162 rally. Again, so what is my point in telling you this story? Be very careful when the media gets a hold of a story talking about look how far we've come in gold, or look how far we've come in crude oil. It's very tempting to want to get long on that emotion, or vice versa. If they start talking about how things have dropped, you're like, oh my goodness, we need to sell that. We need to sell that. Whatever you decide to do, you must have an exit strategy. So that's the number one thing I want to leave you with today. Two markets where it would have been very dangerous if you had not had an exit strategy, regardless of your opinion, right? At the end of the day, everybody's either a bull or a bear. And when you're right, it's easy to make money. The difficult thing to do is to exit a losing trade when you're wrong. So that's what I wanted to cover today. This is Chris Robinson with the Cal Guy Group, TJM Investments. If you're looking for help with your hedging or you're speculating, look me up online. I've got over 30 years in the business. I think I can help you.